Yeah, we're just on our way to Auckland Harley, the Harley Nights Event here in Auckland City, baby. See what's going on, bro. Go say what up to some people, man. Yeah, if you're watching this, bro, and you drive a car or a truck, bro, and like, you know, after you watch this video, can you do me a favor, man, and keep an eye out for motorcyclists, bro? And when you're in peak traffic like this, you know, obviously every time you lane split, it is a risk. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. It's a risk, but I love it, man. Yeah! And to be honest, bro, I'm not going 100%, bro. Like you can see, I'm doing 40 Ks, bro. 30 Ks, cuz. Yeah, because my speedo is in kilometers, bro. Yeah. Hey, what up, Speedy? And we've got the Street 500 in front of us. So what up? Let's go. I'm gonna do a little skim through. Do a little stroll by. Hey guys. Hello boys. Hey bud. Hey bud, how's it going? Maybe I'll park in the shade, eh? Walk around inside Auckland Harley, man. Hey bro, how's it going? What's going on here? What's the raffle?
Yeah, just giving away a bit of merch, some of the New Zealand fishing, and then a gift voucher for the
Sorry? Thank you. Wow, okay. Store, wow, looks good.
Hi.
Oh yeah, sorry, you work here? Are we able to grab a drink or?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Yeah, right, as expected. Oh, this one's nice. It's a 35. How many Ks? Saddleman seat, coffee bars.
Hey mate, would you like a photo taken? It's going into a photo competition. Best photo wins a prize, draw next week. Where's your helmet? I'll go follow you.
Oh, you want to do it now?
Yeah. Okay, I'll follow you. Yeah, let's go, take me. Massive turnout, hey?
Yeah.
How about you?
Yeah, good.
Where's
I'm
your
down
bike?
here. Right here.
Nice wheels. Okay, hold on, okay, and got it. Perfect. Sweet as, thanks for doing that. You're the first person that asked. It's kind of an awkward job going, oh, can I get a photo of you and enter this competition? Thanks so much.
Well, good luck.
Thank you so
Hopefully no one
much.
else enters so I win, but... Hey, bro. Yeah, good, bro.
That's my real thing with that cancel already. A peak problem.
Oh, yeah. Fuck, that's ages ago.
Good to see you making content again, bro.
Oh, I just started, yeah, bro. It's been good.
Yeah, been MIA too long.
Kind of feels like I didn't really leave, eh? It's just everyone's like
That's
the
a
engagement.
good story,
Yeah, wow.
Have a good one, bro.
Yeah, you too, bro. Yeesh, that's badass. Hey, mate.
Took off a little bit early.
Yeah, nah, I missed his. Well, how much to fill up?
42. That's the worth it. It used to be 36. Or 98.
Hey, it ain't gonna stop me from riding, mate.
Nah,
Can I hear it? Start a bit.
it doesn't sound like much.
Oh, it's all good. Does it like got the whistle noise in it?
Yeah.
Hey, is that my bro?
Hey, brother.
Ah, a long time, man.
Yeah, man.
Hey, bro, how's it going?
Good, bro.
Good, mate. The boat Check it, brother. 500. Yeah, bro, it's some big bikes. I like this style, man. Oh, so this is sick. This is an El Diablo. The Rider ST, pretty sure. Soft tail? Soft tail. It's an Icon limited edition. Want one of those next, bro. Hey guys.
Hey brother.
Hey brother. How's it going? How's it going?
Good mate.
Got the goodies on today.
Oh yeah.
Nice, bro. Oh yeah.
Is the one
Yep.
one for you? Works?
Yep.
It's all good. It's all good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Oh, I don't mind, bro.
No, you're
Oh, thank you. Awesome.
Sauces.
Thank you. Gotta hit that sriracha sauce, man. That's good for all.
So,
The price. Hey, what's up, man? Looks sick, bro. I like your. Is that a wrap? Looks like a wrap. Yeah, it looks solid. Oh shit, that's chromy as fuck. What is that? Carbon. Never seen that before, bro. Oh, that's crazy. They gay.
Yeah.
The legs will be on the spreadies. Yeah. I kind of want a lowrider ST next.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, that red one there, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the bros one. Diner. Ah, he's changed it up harder, actually. Damn. It's the bro James. Gangster, bro. Damn. It's looking good, brother. Just a little walk around inside Auckland Harley, man.
Can you not afford a $250 ticket minimum? Me neither. It's all
view now. Do a quick little scroll around. I think everyone's ready to roll. What are you up to, bro?
I'm
bro, we off, bro. Hope
nice,
the
nice.
bro's gonna shoot back the Hodaki, so.
Hodaki, bro. Good on my Sean.
Just outside of Ngati. Oh, well, Cuzzy, hope you fucking see you out on the road.
Yeah, brother. Nice to meet you, bro.
You too,
Have a good ride home. Catch you later, bro.
See you.
Good to see you, man.
Yeah, brother.
Next ride, brother. I think I am ready to rock and roll, so yo, that's me, fam. I think I'm just gonna vanish. Yeah, the brothers, let's go. Alright, how's that, fam? Oh, sorry about that. My microphone fucking fell out on my visor. But yeah, fam, what a solid ride, bro. Solid day. Actually, wasn't much of a ride, but that was a good turnout, bro. Shout out to Auckland Harley, man, for the awesome event. Just get in behind these guys. Oh, cross the line, cross the line. Where we are. Let's go, boys. I won't pull that. A bit close there, brother. But I will cross over. Yeah, let's go. The bro in front of me is on the Triumph rocket. Thing's fucking sick, bro. But yeah, fam, solid night tonight, bro. Yeah, shout out to everybody that came over and said, what up, man? I appreciate yous. Bike is still crazy, bro. I think, you know, I'm no one out there in the community, bro. But it's awesome to see all the brothers again, man. All the bros I've ridden with in the past, bro. It's good to see you. Saw one of my old work colleagues there too, bro. Shout out to my brother Sam. Yeah, here we are, bro. We're just heading home now. All the bros are shooting off, so I thought I'd tag along with them and just call it a day, bro. I know some of them were asking me if we were keen to tag along, but yeah, I'm kind of keen to go see my babies now. So had a blast though. It's nice to meet everyone. Well, yeah, fam, if you made it this far, I appreciate you. I really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. It goes a long way, fam. I have no idea how much I appreciate it, bro. All the likes, all the comments, all the engagement, man. It's just absolutely crazy lately, so shout out to all y'all. Yeah, bro, I appreciate you, man. You know, if you like and subscribe my content, bro, it actually does help me a lot in terms of growth, so if you haven't already, bro, I really appreciate it. If you go and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that share button, fam, let the world know. I really appreciate you, bro. Well, until the next ride, fam, peace out. Nothing but love. Cha-cha.